After our trip to Jema El Fna, famous bazaar and marketplace in Marrakech, we head out to peak of 2,200 meters at Tishka Pass in High Atlas mountain range.
Hello, how are you?
Huh?
How are you?
Perfect, you?
More than perfect.
Kasbahs are replaced with small Berber villages, where life moves with the rhythm of the desert. We ride embraced in red rock formations, creating an unforgettable image of rugged and yet beautiful Valley of Roses.
Morning.
If you want, we can make tisane with roses.
On the road, we are constantly greeted with kids waiting for a treat.
James, what do you think?
This is spectacular. You were the man.
Then, the first dunes of Erg Chebbi start rising in the distance. Welcome to Sahara Desert. Garamedor, crater, volcano, or prison. 300 million year old fossils hold their own story. Clay-made Eid Ben Haddou has been a site of many Hollywood blockbuster movies, but its history is way richer. We get a glimpse of how life was lived in 17th century and before.
Here. No, to brush teeth. Yeah.
Yeah, for the dromedar. Yeah, dromedar thing. You put it inside like this, and push it up. 2 minutes will be dry. You can see this.
The Moon and Mars-like landscape leads us through High Atlas again, back into the vibrant city of Marrakech, where we are welcomed again with contrasting culture, delicious food, and many market stalls to haggle on your favorite souvenir. See you in Morocco. Inshallah.